Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Ms. Shaw, earlier you said that you worried that some of the intent of these actions will have a chilling effect to disincentivize the taking on of clients, and that the legal system we have requires lawyers to take on unpopular clients. Would you expand on that, please?
So, lawyers, the idea that even individuals charged with crimes are entitled to counsel and to vigorous representation in their defense, regardless of what they may have done, is actually a core kind of belief pillar of our legal system. And so that's one example. Individuals, even charged with serious crimes, have a right to counsel.
So I guess one of the things that I struggle with is after the 2020 election, one of the groups that comes to mind is the 65 Project, which is a legal activism campaign seeking to disbar and discredit Trump-affiliated lawyers who worked on lawsuits supporting Trump's attempts to question the 2020 election. They're a dark money group, and I don't recall my colleagues or you speaking out against this. And in fact, there were attorneys that were disbarred for representing their client. Now, sure, there's folks in this room that didn't agree with them. But one of the things you said during that time was, quote, there need to be serious social, professional, and reputational kinds of sanctions if we want to disincentivize this kind of conduct. And I think this kind of conduct is perhaps taking on a client that supports a belief that maybe is not popular. And I really hope that we'll get away from this lawfare. And that's something that was prevalent over the last 4 years throughout this campaign, and now we're seeing it from this judiciary. And I'm disappointed in this judge, but I am happy we're having this discussion, and I'll yield the balance of my time to Chairman Jordan.